back to another video. This time I have sound. I'll try to talk about what I was trying to talk about with the sound. And is this lagging? Yeah, it's lagging. Okay. But basically, I made this skin, and if you guys want to see skin videos, then I can actually make them. Oh my gosh, why does the lag always start right when I start the video? Okay. Okay. Well, last video I had a goal set, and my goal was this axe here. Oh my gosh. Please. Okay, it was this axe. Yay, fun. And I got a pickaxe out of it too, which is cool. Found a cave, which was also a goal right before it ended. That's basically it. But I think I don't know. I don't have a goal for this video. I think my goal is actually to be able to find diamonds for this one, but I don't know. That's a long stretch. Try not to fall in the lava will try not to fall in the lava will be a goal. Actually, well, why am I trying to do another one when I should probably explore this cave first? Let's go around with the torches and place them so that we've, one, known where we have been and haven't, and two, so that we can actually see. Okay, oh my gosh. Dude, that is so annoying. Okay, we have some coal over here. I don't know if that's a priority. Yeah, it's kind of a little bit low. So we'll get some coal. Basically, I wanted to start a series, and that's what I was talking about before I started the game. And yeah, that's basically it. Then the rest was like strip mining and stuff. Okay, looks like I haven't been up here yet. Oh jeez. Oh, well, I'm not ready for that. Not yet. Oh my god. Bro, go away. Oh my god, why is he going so fast? I am freaking out. Hold on. This does more damage. I cannot do this if I'm low. Woo! Run. Oh, it's stupid going into the dark. Okay, we're just gonna run. Woo! Okay, I think we're good if we just stay here. Oh my god. That's scary. I need to go get some food. Oh, do I even have food? I was gonna say if I died right there, that would have been unbelievably embarrassing. Hopefully there's no mobs over there. Shoot me down while I'm over here. Oh my god, that was so scary. I'm bad at lag PvP, not PvP, mob slaying. I don't know. What am I gonna do? I need to find food, but I don't have any, it looks like. Is it daytime? If so, I hope there's no creepers. Please be daytime. Like, I don't even care if it's like almost nighttime. Please be daytime. Oh. Please. Okay. We're good. Okay. I hear some sheep. There's one. Kill it with the axe. Oh, bro. Thank you. These give you mutton, right? Okay. I think there was a version of Minecraft where it doesn't. And then these have wool. Well, if there's not more sheep, then I can get a bed too. Let's try not to lose the spot that I'm at. One hit? What? How does that even work? I hit the sheep twice on the other one. Oh my gosh. Okay, I thought I lost it. Would be so ridiculous. Hold on. Oh, I suck at towering. Oh my gosh, maybe that's why, huh? Just make a nice tower here. Oh shoot, how am I gonna get down? uh, well, I can't even reach. Okay. I don't know how many blocks it takes for you to actually take damage, but I'm going back down to cook my mutton. Do I have enough for bed? No? Okay. Wait, do I? I don't know. I think it takes 3. Cook this mother trucker. 1. Honestly, I need a... No, I can't. Does this take that? Oh, it does. I'm just gonna eat so that I can... Oh, that was kind of a waste. I'm just gonna go get some more wood. Kind of getting a little bit low. Oh shoot, it's turning night. Just get this tree really quick. I have room for another. Especially with this new axe I got. Okay, we're good here. Let's close up this hole. I don't want anything coming from up there. Oh my gosh, this is ugh, that's not what I wanted. 3, okay. 4, 5, actually, yeah, that's fine. Okay, that inventory was driving me insane. And I still only have 2 slots open. I'm gonna have to go face that stupid thing. That's so annoying. Okay. No, that's useful. So, put this here. Okay. Organized-ish. What a waste of mutton. It's okay, we can get more in the morning. I don't even have enough for bed. I don't know. I'm pretty sure the axe is better for right now because I... Dude, I thought I saw a sheep. I was like, what? Okay, so the skeleton's over there, or wait, I think it's over here somewhere. I don't want to fall, dude. Okay, I don't know what I want to do. It's not low enough for... I don't think it's low enough for it to be... No, it's not. It's not anywhere near diamond level. So let's go to diamond level. Keep it close to the stairs here that I made. Let's go here. Okay. All we need is to get to diamond level. Oh my gosh, how does it get so dark so fast? Boop. Okay. This thing is gonna break soon. I have to switch that out. I'm scared of fighting mobs. I want to do this so that I'm better at Minecraft, basically. Because I suck. I I literally almost died to a skeleton. That is so embarrassing. Wow, I suck. I need to get better. This is why I'm doing it. So, um, dang, I don't know. What are you talking about? I didn't dig that much. Oh, sweet. Diamond level. Let's just place a torch here and start strip mining straight. Wait. Oh, I thought it was like, yeah. I thought it wasn't. I thought it replaced itself. I was like, what? Because the, it's like at 0. I don't, my trouble talking. Come on. I want to find a cave. Like, I know it doesn't matter if you find a cave while strip mining, but you know, I just like caves. Caves are fun, but there's a hell of a lot of mobs in them sometimes, especially if it's a ravine. Ravines suck sometimes. Well, for me. Um, please find a cave. Scared me. It's like, what? I thought there was lava behind me. Oh, okay. I don't have anything to do this with. Okay, hopefully this means there's like a cave. I don't know. Hopefully. I just really want to see lava right now. My brother told me that diamonds aren't always right next to lava. Oh jeez, that scared me. Okay. I'm just gonna put this here. Oops, why did I do that? Ugh. I'm so bad at switching tools. I just think there's a cave gonna be like right above me. Did I go down at all? Let me check. Right here. No. Oh, wait, I went up, apparently. Well, 11's pretty good for diamonds. Ooh, lapis. I think I'm gonna just take this. Oh, sweet. I didn't even know that you could mine it with a stone pickaxe. I was like, oh shoot, I effed up. It'll take a moment to mine without this. I'll just mine it with this. Dang, bro. Okay, okay. Just put this here. Then... Hell yeah. Okay. Get back up. I thought I heard lava. That would be great. I'm, uh, I'm almost out of time, actually. I can only make 15-minute videos. Sucks, but I don't have any other choice right now. Wait, was I using that pickaxe? Sweet, we found something. Oh, wait. I just... Are you kidding me? Okay. I just made a complete loop. Stop with the cave sounds! Well, guys, apparently this is gonna be it for this video because I can't find anything. Sadly, we didn't meet our goal. Wish we could have, but this is it. So we're gonna do. Unless we can find a cave in the next few seconds, but really nothing done. Bye.